Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I wanted to share something with you all. Hopefully it'll help somebody to make doing some things a little easier. Just give me a moment. Okay, now when I use VLC Media Player and whenever I open my outro or my intro, this is what happens. It goes straight into full screen and I hate it. Don't want it to go into full screen right away. I want to have it minimized, like a mini window like this, okay? And that way, when I start live streaming or whatever, I can have multiple videos queued and I can have them not take up full screen when I open one to share. But here's why it might be. Anyways, okay, let me show you the way that I found to stop it from loading into full screen. So you can do this, okay? Now that's what I found online. The guy said uncheck that, but this is what happens. It still does it. All right. Even with that unchecked, it still does it. So I uncheck that, then I go into here and I uncheck full screen and turn on window decorations. Now, when I open, say, the video, boom, right into the mini player. And yeah, so full screen, right? That's, I know people are wanting to know how to do that. That's why I decided to record this video because I could not find a way online that anybody's showing how to do it online. Now, I use Mirillis Action as my recording software. Now, up until I made my intros, I had been recording all of my games in game mode, which is right here, okay? But what I ended up doing was switching to screen mode. And that way, everything I do on desktop 1 can be recorded. So let me show you a preview. Okay, now as you can see, you can as you can see, right? It does that infinite video, but um, so yeah, I can now show use videos um using this method. I can even show you web pages. Um, so you'll be seeing a web page. Yeah. Let me just put action to there so we don't see the infinite loop. So as you can see, right? Actually, let me show you something while I'm here. So it says I have 433 subscribers, but look at it. Here, it says I only have 326. So I can't figure it out. I think somebody's been, I don't know what they've been doing. Anyways, I don't know why. I don't know why this says 326 when it shows that I have 433. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, I wanted to share this method of recording and the way to set up VLC Media Player to start up in mini mode. So I think I covered everything there. And yeah, oh yeah, right. So even say you want to live stream, like which is what I'm gonna do eventually, you can do the same in live stream. So you can play like device, area, window, screen, game. I highly recommend using your screen. Um, son of a bitch, did I show the browser? No, I didn't. Okay, good. So I have already recorded this video a couple times, but I accidentally showed off Tris in her birthday suit, and yeah, we can't have that now, can we? Frack me. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you how I edit on the fly. So let's see. How would I show this best? Okay, I'm going to take this window and I'm going to move it off screen. All right. And then I am going to use my pause button and move the window over so you can see how seamless this looks when when I'm cutting video on the fly, or editing on the fly is what I call it. So I'm going to do it right now. Just like that, I cut out a section of the video by pausing and bringing in the outro. So I hope this will help somebody, uh, because I've been searching the internet for ever since I created my intro on a way to record my intro without having to edit video. Okay. Now, I do own a video studio. All right. It's just every time I edit a video, a 1 hour video takes like almost an hour and a half or 2 hours to render. So say I go into Corel there, Video Studio, and I want to insert my intro. Um, I have to wait about an hour and a half for it to render, and then I have to upload it, and then I have to wait for YouTube to render it. I mean, it's a lot of frickin' rendering time, so I wanted to cut time out of that. And this is how I did it. This is what I'm showing you how I did it. And I'm also showing you how to set up your VLC media player so that you can have it start up in minimized mode, like this screen you're seeing right now. So that's about it. Have yourselves a wonderful day. Hey, why don't you check out some of my gaming videos and maybe even subscribe? That'd be kind of cool. Turn on notifications, hit the like button, dislike button. Why don't you share this video? Because I'm sure there's other people who are looking for such a thing. So, yeah, help me out, help them out. And yeah, that's it. That's all I got. So, cue the outro. I love saying that for some reason. Don't know why. Anyways, cue the outro. Have a fantastic day, everyone. Uh oh.